How to create a database in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click MySQL Databases. Enter the name of the new database you want to create. cPanel automatically adds a prefix in the name of the database. Now click the Create Database button. The database has been successfully added. Let's go and see the newly created database. Scroll down to the table Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases. We will learn about modifying the database and adding a user to a database in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.